Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to turn on notifications on the Wallapop application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the U icon down below, which is the last option. After that, tap on Settings in the Account section. Click on the fourth option, Notifications. Then, as you can see, you have a bunch of options here, so you can select whether you would like to get notified if any of your products expire. So tap on Expired Products. If you want to get notifications about your searches and when a new product fits your search criteria, tap on Search Alerts. And in your favorites or my favorite section, you can get notified about news regarding your favorite products and sellers, about a price drop, favorites sold, favorites reserved, or new products. And here there are additional options such as getting reminders about or notifications about promotions and other content of your interest, such as tips, suggestions, and promotions and new features. So if you want to turn off any of these options, all you have to do is just simply going back to this section and clicking on the relevant one, thereby turning off that particular reminder or notification. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.